Time for SAT Math practice question number 56 here on Wagner Academy. It says, there we go, I got my red. The first term of a certain sequence is 6, and the second term is 10. The third term and each term thereafter, is found by taking the average, hit the wrong button there, taking the average of the two terms preceding it. What is the value of the first term in the sequence that is not an integer? And so let's just go with, like I did a couple questions ago, we'll just say x1 is my first term, and it says that first term of a sequence is 6. So x1 equals 6. It says the second term is 10. The third term and each term thereafter is found by taking the average of the two terms preceding it. So what's the average of the two terms preceding the third term? Well, it would be 10 plus 6, which is 16. Dividing that by 2 gets you 8. So let's keep that idea going. So again, the next term is the average of the two terms preceding it. So this one's going to be 10 plus 8 divided by 2. That's 18 divided by 2, which is 9. Now the question is asking, though, what is the value of the first term in the sequence that is not an integer? So far, these have all been integers. 6, 10, 8, and 9 all are integers. But it looks like here, if we take these two terms preceding it, 8 plus 9, that would get me 17. And 17 divided by 2 is not an integer. It's not a whole number in a positive or negative sense, or 0. It's a decimal number or a fraction number. It's still rational, but it's not an integer. So 17 divided by 2, that's going to be 8.5. And what is the value of it? That's the value of it. That is my answer right there. 8.5 is the first term in the sequence that's not an integer.